Welcome to the VXR Dry System Startup scenario. In this scenario, we're going to go through the steps of placing a VXR dry system into service. Before we start, let's reset the panel to ensure the electric solenoid is closed. While this isn't required, we're going to silence the panel. Press the silence button on the VFR 500 release control panel. Let's start by pressing the push rod on the VXR valve upwards, ensuring that the clapper is sealing against the seat. Then pull the push rod down to ensure it is fully retracted. Before establishing system air pressure, we need to close the upstream accelerator isolation ball valve so that the system pressure can build. Close the ball valve upstream of the accelerator. Next, establish the system air pressure within 5 psi of the set pressure by opening the air bypass valve. Once pressure has been established, close the air bypass valve. Place the air maintenance device into service by opening the 1/4-inch isolation valve before the air pressure maintenance device. We can now reopen the accelerator isolation ball valve. Open the main drain. Partially open the main water control valve. Now, close the main drain. Water supply pressure will show on the water supply pressure gauge. Fully open the water supply control valve. Press the drip check and make sure no air or water is present. This indicates that a proper seal between the seat and clapper has been established. Verify that all trim valves are in their normal operating position. After the system water pressure is restored, any alarm panels that were activated will need to be reset to clear any active alarms. Excellent. The system has been placed into service.